Hello everybody, how's it going? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here with another fan video, and today I'll be showing you this small vintage Windsor Box Fan. This is one of my friend Tori's fans. I've always loved these little box fans. I have a couple of them, but I don't have the Windsor ones. This fan's in decent shape. It's not missing any slabs. Alright, we'll start off on low. Go to medium. And now we'll go to high. Alrighty folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later. God bless.